This video shows how to replace the iDSDM/Vflash module on a PowerEdge R250. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all of the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first remove the system cover. To do this, if the latch lock is in the lock position, rotate it to the unlock position, lift the latch to disengage the cover from the system, and then lift the system cover off. For the air shroud, hold the air shroud at both ends and lift it out of the system. Now, to remove the iDSDM/Vflash module, remove the SD cards from the iDSDM and Vflash card slots. Note the SD card positions. Now, pull the iDSDM/Vflash module, holding the blue pull tab. To install the replacement iDSDM/Vflash module, insert the module into the connector on the system board. Now, install the SD cards in the iDSDM and Vflash card slots. Now align the slot on the air shroud with the standoff on the system and lower the air shroud, holding it at both ends until it is firmly seated. Finally, replace the system cover by placing the cover into its position on the system. Lower the latch to engage the cover onto the system, and then rotate the lock on the top of the system cover to the locked position. You have replaced the iDSDM/Vflash module on a PowerEdge R250. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.